Alright, so next video in the series for the 2014 F250 is going to be the stubby antenna. This is one of the things that I do to majority of my vehicles, even the Fusion, as you can see over there, got a different antenna. The Jeep's got a different antenna. The 2009 F250 prior to this had a different antenna, but we're going to go ahead and get this removed. Okay, let's try this one more time. Had to regroup on a different day. So this is what comes in the box from CravenSpeed. I've done this on several vehicles as far as CravenSpeed stubbies. I think I've did this on my 16 F150, my 2009 F250, and then now this 2014 F250. So we're going to use the hardware and get the stubby put on. So hang tight a second, let me get this out of the box. All right, forgive the angle because this is the only way that I can do this. So inside the packaging, you've got two different adapters, obviously to mimic that came out of the 2014. We're going to use the smaller one. Go ahead and get it threaded in. Get rid of this other one. We'll stick it in a pocket just to get it out of the way. Thread it in as far as it will go. And then now, set this down. That is it. We'll get a picture of the finished product in just a second. All right, so that went a different direction. So down inside there is a bit head that I used screwdriver kit for, and I'll link it. And now it matches up perfectly. So that is the finished product of the CravenSpeed stubby antenna. All right, thanks for watching.